Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to edit your region on Instagram using your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit your Instagram account by logging in. Once you're on your homepage, the next step is simple. Look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to make some changes. Find and click on the Edit Profile button. This is where all the magic happens. After you're in the Edit Profile section, scroll down a bit and you'll see the Bio option. Click on it. This is where you'll type your new region. Whether you're moving to a new city or just want to show off a different location, this is your chance to personalize your profile. Go ahead and type the new region in your bio. Make sure it reflects your current vibe. Once you're satisfied with your changes, it's time to save them. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a button that says Submit. Click on that to finalize your edits, and there you have it. You've successfully updated your region on Instagram using your PC. It's a straightforward process that helps you keep your profile current and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching.